Hey y'all, this is Micah from uTectonics. Today I will be showing off an upcoming asset that I will be publishing for the Unity game engine called uTectonics. This asset serves as a way to visualize plate tectonic simulations and apply the result to a terrain in Unity. This is the foundation on which, through the next several videos, we will create our ultimate computer-aided world-building tool, the uTectonics World Creator. But first, credit where it is due. I did not write the simulation code. This is based off the Playtech library written in C++ by Lauri Viitanen and updated by Federico Tomasetti. This simulation has some limitations that I will be addressing in future videos. All changes to the underlying simulation code will be released open source under LGPL version 3. Now on to the show. The most important piece is the seed. Since the simulation uses pseudo-random numbers, this seed value will let us recreate a simulation if we give it the same seed and other parameters. Today we are using seed 1 and will not be diving deeper into the other parameters for this video. The current example implementation allows us to run the simulation at 1, 3, and 5 steps per second. We can also go one at a time. I've provided a sample shader that colors the land and the sea based on height. You may adjust this with the slider. The simulation can run slow in real time depending on the size of the map and a few other factors. We can gain a little speed boost by turning off rendering and then waiting a little while to turn it back on. Then we can go and watch it from the beginning.